Hey guys, Ralph here, and today we're going to change engine oil on our 2025 Nissan Kicks. First, we're going to use this ramp to elevate the car so it can work better under the chassis. Next, we're going to put this wheel chuck to prevent the car from sliding back. Underneath the car, there's a plastic cover for the chassis, so we need to remove all those rivets in order for us to gain access to the oil pan, as well as this 10 millimeter bolts. And use a 10 millimeter socket to remove those bolts holding the cover. We just had the cover removed, and as you can see, the oil pan is right here, and also you can see the oil filter, and the oil drain plug is right here on the other side. As you can see, you need to remove 13 bolts and 6 rivets to remove the cover of that oil drain pan. Now we can start changing engine oil. First, you wanna remove this engine oil cover. Remove the oil drain plug using a 14 millimeter socket and ratchet. Always remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Huh? Then we're going to replace this crush washer. We're gonna replace it with a new one. So using a knife or something flat, just remove this crush washer. This is the one that we're going to use for the engine oil filter. What I like to do is to rub some oil on this gasket so it will be easier for me to remove it next time. And we're going to put some oil on the filter as well. Once there's no more oil dripping out of the pan, we can clean it up with paper towel, and then we're going to install or put a new plug with a new brush washer. Then using a 14mm socket and ratchet, tighten it up by hand, or if you want to know the torque, it's 22 to 29 foot-pounds. Then remove the engine oil filter by hand, or sometimes it seizes up, so you might need to use an oil filter wrench.
Yes, baby. Yeah.
We need to make a town. Make a river house.
Okay.
And make like a system. Make a museum.
Oh wow.
Bye.
After cleaning the area with paper towel, install the new engine oil filter. Using a funnel, top up the engine oil with 4.3 quarts of 0W20. And then put back the cover, turn the engine on, and check underneath if there's a leak. I usually wait until 5 minutes just to make sure everything's good, no leak, before I put the cover back. So no leak on the engine oil filter and no leak on the engine oil drain plug. After you put back the chassis cover, you can reset your oil control system on your computer on your dashboard. And that's how you do a complete engine oil change on your Nissan Kicks. And if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.